What's up, everybody? Fat Cracker here. You know what time it is. Time for a big boy to get cooking. Tonight we got an oldie but a goodie. We're going to do some smoked chicken wings and smoked ribs on the pellet grill. Get everything together. We'll show you how it's done. Keep watching. All right, everybody. We're going to prep our ribs and we'll show you how to do this on this little one right here. I got quite a few, but this will get us where we need to go. So we want to pull our silver skid off. So what we do, we got a butter knife. Slide it. Got to go up under the skid here. And then just pry up on it. Get that off. Then we'll grab a paper towel so you can get a good grip on it. It's kind of hard to show. Just turn it sideways and then you just grab that skin and pull all the way down. Get all that skin off of there. Now that's fat right there, I believe. We'll try to run the blade up under that. But I believe, yeah, it's off the bone, so that's fat and meat there. So, okay, like I said, I got a lot to do. But what we'll do, we'll show you the basic seasoning of the ribs. And so I'm pretty much what I'm going to do to all of them. So the first thing we're going to do, I got the old pellet grill going. Just a minute. So what we'll do now, take this, we'll take some mustard. I didn't shake it. Mistakes were made. It is what it is. Put some mustard on this side, rub it in. Get it all rubbed in real good. Then flip to this side, rub it a little bit. Grab another paper towel because we don't want to get all that all over our mustard bottle. We'll grab that mustard bottle. Squirt a little bit more on top of there. And then we'll rub that in there. Then once we got that, I'm going to go ahead and pull one glove off so I can work with the shaker bottle. Set it to the side. So we got some barbecue rub. We're going to sprinkle that all over. Put a nice coat on it. Then flip it over. And go ahead and do the other side. Nice coat all the way across. And that's how it is. We'll go ahead and do the rest, get them ready, and I'll show you about the chicken wings. Like I said, I'm using a barbecue rub here. I ain't got much left. And then I got some chili rub I made. Got a little bit of spice to it. I'm going to put that on some of them. And we'll get the ribs smoked up. And then I'll show you what we're going to do to the chicken wings in the next step. We'll go from there. Let me finish up these ribs and then we'll move on to the chicken wings. All right, everybody. Now we're going to do our chicken wings. Basically, same way. Mustard's the binder. So we take mustard, squirt it all in here. And we'll mix it up. Make sure we coat everything with that mustard. Like I said, that mustard's the binder. It holds that seasoning to it. That way, then you keep the flavor of your seasoning on the wings of that pork. All right. So now we got them all coated. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this bowl to the side, move my pan over, turn them out on the pan. All right. Set this bowl to the side. Then we'll kind of lay them out flat. Everything's laid out. Take that one glove off so I don't get that mustard all over my shaker. So what we're going to do on this, we're going to do lemon pepper seasoning on these. I got another batch over there, but what we'll do is we'll do one side. Let me come in on you a little bit. Coat one side real well. Get it all over, and then we'll come in, we'll flip them. Get them all flipped. All right, flip that one, put it back. There we go, we're all flipped, and we'll coat the other side. And there you go. That's the first batch. Now we got somebody wanting lemon pepper, so I'm doing them that way. Next batch we'll do, I'm gonna put some Southern Blend poultry seasoning on it after I coat it with the mustard. And then we'll get them set up and we'll get them on the smoker. Stay tuned. All right, we got the grill loaded up. Chicken wings and ribs. Now I'm set low and slow. We're gonna run them about 270 for a few hours. See how they turn out. All right, everybody. Here's the plate. Got the ribs and the chicken wings. They smoked up pretty good. They ended up doing decent. Remember, if you ain't trying, you ain't making it, bud. Y'all keep doing what you're doing. Keep cooking. Y'all have a good one.